Cascade at Waterstone, Vallejo's new construction development, is finally open for sale. You do have to be on their VIP list, which I can help you with, but in the meantime, I want to give you a sneak peek at all the models they have to offer. I want to talk about lifestyles, amenities nearby, taxes and HOAs that you need to consider. By the end of this video, you should have a good feel for whether this community is right for you. Let's get started. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erica Monroe. I'm a realtor in the Bay Area and I specialize in Solano County. If you live in or are considering a move to Vallejo, I'm sure you've been checking back for updates regarding Cascade at Waterstone, which is the new construction development located right off of Columbus Parkway and nestled right next to Benicia. Cascade is presented by Pointe Homes, and there will be about 184 single and two-story houses ranging from 2,300 square feet up to 3,000 square feet. And this development is the last addition to the already established Waterstone community. With any new construction development, you're always going to be priced towards the top end of value for the area, and that's because you're getting a brand new house. So we're looking at high 700s to high 800,000s. This builder, in my opinion, took into consideration today's buyers, and the layouts and functionality definitely reflect this. For example, given that price points are as high as they are, it's fairly common to see multi-generational families purchasing houses together. So the builder addressed this by having at least a bedroom, den, and full bathroom downstairs for all layouts. They also have a layout which features a junior suite, so it has a kitchenette, a common area, a bedroom, and a full bathroom. It would be perfect for in-laws, for an adult, a child that needs extra privacy, or a fantastic guest quarters. Let's take a look at the key elements of Plan 1, 3, and 4. Plan 2 is not offered as a model, but my understanding is that it's very comparable to Plan 3. Plan 1 is the only single-story option available at Cascade. It features 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2,300 square feet of living space. It has a large open concept kitchen, 2 family room. There's a great drop zone located right next to the laundry, and there's additional storage behind the laundry room, which we could never have enough storage, right? The model home shows a den or an office space, which would be converted to the 4th bedroom. Overall, the layout feels really fluid, functional. To me, it feels larger than 2,300 square feet. I know you're only getting a glimpse at each model because this video would be hours long if I showed you every little inch, but click the link in descriptions below. I'd be happy to schedule a private showing for you and get you on that VIP list. Moving on to Plan 3, remember there's no model of Plan 2. Plan 3 is a 2-story house which features 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, over 3,000 square feet of living space. When you enter into a grand foyer with 18 to 20 foot ceilings. Keep in mind, all these finishes are specific to the model home, so it's important if you're considering buying new construction that you clarify what comes standard with the houses and what is considered an upgrade. This wine cellar, for example, is absolutely going to be an upgrade, but again, it's kind of an ode to today's buyer. Pointe's really taking into consideration our location. Vallejo is 30 minutes away from Napa. We're definitely at the tip of wine country. So though this may not be appropriate for all folks, some are definitely going to be excited about this addition. There's also a bedroom and a full bathroom downstairs. And as you enter into the kitchen, you have not one, but 2 enormous islands. One may be great for prepping, one perhaps for casual dining. You even have space for an additional dining room table. This is an expansive open concept kitchen to family room. Upstairs, you'll find the remaining 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. You'll notice all 2-story options have a flex area or a bonus space, which has become really popular among today's buyers. Moving on to Plan 4, which appears to be the most customizable plan. You have the option of 4 to 6 bedrooms at about 3,000 square feet. When you first enter the model home, you'll notice a den or an office space. This would be converted into an additional bedroom should you need it, and it conveniently has a full bathroom located right next door. When you enter the kitchen, again, it's the same open concept layout with large island. And you'll notice that there is an option to add that junior suite that I mentioned earlier, which has a kitchenette, a separate living area, followed by an attached bedroom and ensuite, a full bathroom. If you did not need this additional suite, this would just be a tandem garage, so potentially offering you a 3-car option. Another feature that stood out to me with Plan 4 is that the upstairs laundry has a second entrance which leads directly to the primary closet. Can you imagine how convenient that would be? As soon as you're done with your clothes, you can chuck them into the laundry room, or when your clothes are fresh and clean, you can take them immediately into your closet. This is the first time I've seen this component from a builder, and maybe it's just me that gets excited about it, but I thought that was a really thoughtful, functional component to the layout. Now that you have an idea of the floor layouts, let's talk about location. In my opinion, this is one of the most convenient locations in East Vallejo because you're close to everything. As soon as you enter onto Columbus Parkway, you're 10 minutes from Costco, Safeway, Home Depot, Target. If you take a left onto Columbus Parkway, you can hop right onto 780, which within an exit or two will take you to Benicia. So you can enjoy everything that Benicia has to offer, including all its eateries, its festivities, without paying the Benicia prices. You can also hop on to 680, which will take you to Martinez and Concord in about 20-25 minutes. As mentioned before, Napa's 30 minutes away, so Oxbow Market, all the eateries are within arm's reach. The Vallejo Ferry is about 10 minutes away, and as you know, that'll take you directly into Embarcadero, so you can have a wonderful day trip, great for entertaining guests or just enjoying the time yourself. As I've warned before, it's always important to check HOAs and taxes with new construction developments. You just don't want any surprises once you get into contract. So the HOA is noted to be about $105 at the completion of build. I've had other clients purchase within the Waterstone community, and it did cover front landscaping, so I would assume that this is the same for this community. I do have that question out to the builder, and I will comment below and pin the comment so that you'll know for yourself. Taxes are fairly reasonable in my opinion for new construction. They're noted to be 1.33%. However, it is important to note that this portion of East Vallejo also has some additional special assessment taxes, so you're likely going to be closer to 1.5%. If you are shopping at the top end of your budget, make sure you have this discussion with your lender or the builder's lender just to ensure that you can afford the monthly payment with the slightly higher assessment. For more information, or if you're hoping to schedule a private showing, click the link in the description below. I'd be happy to help you get on that VIP list.